Alright, y'all, so we are back at the Renaissance Festival and we're vlogging again. Whee! The theme this weekend is Halloween, which I'm really excited about. I hope I see lots of costumes, Halloween costumes and Halloween things, but we shall see. If you cannot tell, I am a witch. Stevie Nicks vibes, honey. Fleetwood Mac. Alright, so we are going to start exploring now. We realized last time we came here there was a lot of places that we didn't check out. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm just getting a shot of some of the folks. You can see some costumes and things. So Alan just got a steak on the stick. That's the first thing we're eating today at the Renaissance. Good?
Yeah, here.
Mmm. Oh my god, it's so good. Watch out for the mud. Delicious.
It's got me where I am today. Thank you, ladies. Goodbye, friend. Double check.
One of my goals today was to see the ladies that dress up like Sanderson sisters. So I just got to take a picture with them, and it's so funny because they started singing a Stevie Nicks song, and I was like, exactly. Somebody noticed, which I thought was awesome. The edge of 17. So we're sitting in the Renaissance wedding chapel, waiting for our wedding to start. We're getting married. Kidding. Anyways, obviously. But it's really pretty in here. It's peaceful. There's others sitting in here as well. And we're just enjoying the views. Want to see our views? This is our views. People, pretty things. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. But you guys, they have elephants here, and you can ride on them. Look at them. We ran into her again at the Renaissance. Woo! Huh? So Alan has decided he wanted to go through the dreaded maze. We did this a long time ago, and it gives me anxiety. It's a maze. Where do you want to go, Alan?
This way.
This way? Yeah, this is already giving me anxiety. We've only been in here 2 seconds, and I'm like, How do I get out? No, this ain't for me. Why did I agree to this? What we was walking through, y'all. No, no, and no. And this part.
Yes, we did it, Daddy!
What a man,
Yes!
what a man, what
I
a
made
man,
it
what a
through the
man. Tying my shoe. Thanks, babe. It's the second time he's had to do that today. That's a good hubby. Alright, we're fixing to go on this ride. I'm excited, but I'm scared my hat's gonna fall off. Ready, Alan?
Yeah.
These guys are gonna spin us. I'm pushing the hat down far so it'll stay secure.
Let's wind up.
Uh-oh.
One of the kids gets it.
Here we go.
Alright, no falling out. No falling out.
No falling out.
Don't end up like the last kid.
That was scary. At least I didn't lose my hat. Oh my god.
The chocolate covered cheesecake is much better than the little
Is that cheesecake?
Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Just imagine the flavor.
Oh, you got a knife?
It's not the same.
But they didn't have any napkins? Gonna make us sick.
We had a second spelling like.
Oh my god, look at me! How proud of you. I am having total regrets over this funnel cake. Alan, was this yours?
Yeah.
There was a napkin in it. I was dying for a napkin the whole time I was eating it, and there was one right in front of me. Anyways, it was so good, but too much, so heavy. We done ate so much, and I feel sick. I don't even want to move now. I want to go find some place to take a nap. Look at those chocolate covered marshmallows. Oh look, a fortune teller, and then over here it says tarot. See them? Are they in there? There's a pony. Look at that. Look at his golden feet too. My feet are killing me. And I mean killing me. My toes feel like they're about to fall off. I wore a pair of shoes today that I've never wore before. I literally just got them and big mistake. Big mistake. So my phone's actually dying. Alan's vapor died. I bet he's dying right now over that. Alan is over there getting more food. There's people fighting over there, play fighting, obviously. The sun has went down. It was so hot earlier. I was sweating to death. Oh my God. And I'm wearing a sweater. But I'm sitting on the steps of like this thing here where they have shows. And I'm just resting my feet because my feet are killing me so bad. So we was gonna wait for the fireworks show, but we just realized the fireworks show didn't start for a long time. So we're just gonna walk around, and it looks like Halloween Town out here. You can't really see because it's dark, but oh look, oh, Michael Myers. Okay, but yeah, it looks awesome out here. There's jack-o'-lanterns lit up. There's Halloween lights. People in costume. It looks so good.